I am Dr. Amresh Biradar. I am a plastic, hand, and reconstructive microvascular surgeon practicing in North Karnataka, Kalburgi. One of the most common questions I come across from the people is what should be done when there is a hand injury. The first and foremost thing is once there is a hand injury, don't give anything by mouth, like even drinking water or drinking any juices or eating any biscuits or anything else. Just don't give anything and be calm. If you are a patient and you have sustained a hand injury, be calm, don't panic. Get a medical help and shift to the hospital. Hand is very intricate, very precise in its function. Hand has around 28 muscles, 27 bones, 21 tendons, 3 nerves and 2 arteries. The most common mechanism of hand injury is road traffic accidents, fall from the height, blunt injuries, crush injuries, contusions, and in kids they keep their hand in between the door and it gets crushed. So what should be done once there is a hand injury? The injured part should be tied with a clean cloth or a gauze, and the fingers, if they are crushed, they have to be splinted with a cardboard or a wooden piece. If there is a fracture here, you have to place a wooden cardboard or a fold cardboard here, place it here and tie it with any rope or a cloth and shift them to the hospital. If there is a extensive tissue injury or if there is an amputation bleeding from that point, use a clean cloth, give a pressure, usually the bleeding will stop in some time and shift them to the hospital. If there is an amputation of the part of the limb like this, you can carry that amputated part. If there is an amputated part, it has to be put inside a clean plastic carry bag. That plastic carry bag has to be put inside another plastic carry bag containing ice or cold water, but never put the amputated part directly in touch with cold water or a cold normal saline or ice. It should never be in directly contact with that. The amputated part, like if there is amputation at this level, this part has to be carried in a separate carry bag, and here you take either big cloth or a cuff, tie it tightly so that bleeding stops and shift them to the hospital. So this is about basic about hand injured patients, how they have to be treated at home. Once they come to the hospital, it's the duty of a plastic surgeon to examine them and do the proper surgery.